Answering my fan his question. Why is Skibidi Toilet famous? In 2023, there was a trending about Skibidi Toilet. It is very famous on YouTube. And most most kids love to watch it because it was so much fun. But then after many months, Skibidi Toilet was was getting overpowered to kids. Yeah, all he was doing is to sing, battle, and more. If kids try to watch this, their brain will not learn but learning bad words by watching the Skibidi Toilet. Most of them today in 2024 is saying the word cat. Cat means a person that has a big pot in it. Yeah, that's what they mean. Skibidi Toilet was very fun for the age on 2 to 6. It was very amazing for them. But as you were higher than the age, it was not amazing for you. You would notice you would notice details that are very bad and in the Skibidi Toilet. And first of all, why did they even post this video? Skibidi Toilet was just person, or a man on a toilet just singing Skibidi. Okay, what information next?